How to find exported videos from CapCut on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is how you can find the exported videos from CapCut. First of all, check for the Photos application. After exporting, CapCut saves your video to Photos automatically if the permissions are granted. So for this, you can go to Photos and then on your albums and check for the recent videos. Your video should be at the top. Or else you can go to the media types and select for the videos. If you remember when you exported it, scroll to the date in the recent album. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is to make sure that CapCut has permissions to save. For this, go to the device settings. Then after, scroll down to find the option of privacy and security. Once you tap on privacy and security, go to the section of photos. Then after, you need to go to CapCut and ensure it is set to all photos. Otherwise, the export may not be saved. If you cannot find it, you can go back to CapCut now, re-export this project and wait for the pop-up that says Save to Photos. So this is how you can simply save or find the exported videos in your photos section. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.